and Astronautics. We are UCSD's only pre-professional aerospace student org. There are quite a few orgs that design and build projects, but we are the only one that focuses more on career development and empowering students to enter into the professional world of aerospace engineering. We offer a ton of opportunities, from social events to industry networking, and of course, some awesome aerospace stuff too. Next slide. So to begin, here are some of the social events that we often do. One of our favorites is S'mores at the Shores, where we all go down to the La Jolla shores and we make s'mores. It's a lot of fun, and it's a great way to hang out with your fellow engineers in a more relaxed setting instead of just in class or when you're studying. We also host movie nights. Here in the bottom right there, we are pictured after watching Ad Astra in theaters, which was totally cool. Sometimes we like to try to reserve an entire lecture hall, and we can watch a movie on like that giant lecture hall screen, and that's a lot of fun. Another quirky favorite of ours is our quarterly breakfast for dinner event, where we de-stress before finals week by making breakfast food at night. So that's totally fun and unique. We also have hosted a trivia night in the past and a bunch of other cool stuff too. And even though this upcoming quarter and the foreseeable future is online, we're still gonna try to do our best to host some really cool, fun stuff like this. Maybe some more movie nights and some other cool stuff as well. Next slide. So we couldn't call ourselves an aerospace org if we didn't do some really cool aerospace stuff. So one of our favorites is our astronomy night, which we host up in Julian, where we bust out some really huge telescopes and go stargazing and eat pie, because Julian is of course known for their pie. We also have built model rockets before, and we launched them in Fiesta Islands. There on the bottom left, you can see everyone posing all dramatically with their rockets that they're about to launch. We also had the amazing opportunity to visit JPL's open house one year. That's the middle picture you see. And one of our favorites is the annual Miramar Air Show, where you can see incredible things like that C-130 pictured at the bottom. It took a panorama to make that picture happen, so that just tells you how huge that plane is. And then last year, we had the opportunity to host an event set up by NASA where we discussed the new Artemis program, and up in the top left, there's us with our incredible panelists who talked about their experience in or what they think about the Artemis program. We also have a subdivision of our org called DBF, or Design Build Fly, and you'll hear from them later in this presentation. Okay, next. Last but not least, we host professional events. We try to empower our fellow aerospace engineers about the professional side of the industry, and we also host resume workshops and career fair prep events. We also have a mentorship program where fellow undergraduates and even some graduate students can pair up and help each other. And then finally, one of my personal favorites, because I got to coordinate this event last year, is our annual Distinguished Lecturer event, where a really cool person from aerospace comes and lectures about what they do in the field, and it's totally cool. Even though last year was online, we managed to switch over real fast at the end, and over 80 people came. Okay, next slide. Okay, so as you can see, there's something here for everyone. Your involvement can be whatever you want it to be. You can be a general member who just comes to a few of our events, or you could be on the board and help shape the future of aerospace. So here's all of our contact information. I recommend you take a screenshot so you have all this, or ask me at the end in our individual sessions. And all right, I think that sums it up. Thank you.